I want you to think about AI strategically. So, what do I mean by this? Language models are not just productivity tools. Yes, they are, but there's so much more than that, right? They're strategic business accelerators. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean, you can point a language model like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, one of these AI models at your real world problems, at your growth levers in your company. So, we want to get new customers. We want a higher conversion rate in our prospects or our leads. We want to have smarter pricing so that we can be more effective and increase the lifetime value of a customer. We want stronger retention of our client base, or maybe we want stronger retention of our partnership channel. Whatever it is, you can use AI to validate your next big product idea or service idea, challenge your assumptions just like a board would, right? Explore scenarios you hadn't considered, do some war gaming. What would happen if we did this? How would they respond? What are the top five most likely ways that they would respond, and how would we counterpunch in that case? Get expert level input on your decisions, build competitive strategy, develop your people faster. And so the question is not, can AI help me? It's, how can I best leverage AI to outpace my competitor in my strategic thinking? How can I use AI as a business accelerator, as a intelligence augmentation tool that will make me more effective?